What if I told you that by 2026, you could be in complete control of your finances no matter how much you earn? Forget the complicated spreadsheets, the confusing jargon, and the feeling that you're always one step behind. Today, I'm going to share a simple, yet incredibly powerful method that will transform how you manage your money. This isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about building a solid, stress-free financial future. And the best part? You can start right after watching this video. So grab a notepad or just listen closely, because what you're about to learn could genuinely change your life. Let's be real for a second. Most financial advice is either too complex or completely out of touch with reality. They tell you to stop buying lattes, as if that one coffee is the reason you're not a millionaire. It's frustrating, and it makes people give up. That's why we're going to throw all that noise out the window. The method we're diving into today is called the future-proof wallet, and it's built on one core principle: simplicity drives consistency. When something is easy to do, you're more likely to stick with it. And with money, consistency is everything. The future-proof wallet has just 3 core components. That's it. Not 20, not 10, just 3. They are the core account, the growth engine, and the safety net. Let's break down each one so you know exactly what to do. First up, the core account. This is your financial command center. All your income, whether it's your salary, a side hustle, or any other money coming in, lands here first. This is a standard checking account. Its job is to handle all your regular, predictable monthly expenses. Think rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, subscriptions, and transportation. You know, the stuff you have to pay every single month. Here's how you set it up. Look at your bank statements for the last 3 months. Add up all your essential recurring expenses and find the monthly average. Let's say that number is $2,000. You'll set up your core account to handle this amount. The key here is automation. Set up automatic bill payments from this account for all those fixed costs. This takes the guesswork and the stress out of paying bills. You set it once, and it runs on autopilot. You'll never have a whoops, I forgot to pay the internet bill moment again. This account's balance shouldn't fluctuate wildly. It's your stable base of operations. Now for the exciting part, the growth engine. This is where your financial future is built. The growth engine is all about making your money work for you. After your core account has handled the essentials, a portion of the remaining money gets automatically transferred here. This isn't just one account. It's a system of accounts designed for different long-term goals. Your first priority within the growth engine is retirement. I know 2026 feels close, but retirement might feel far away. Trust me, the sooner you start, the more powerful your money becomes thanks to compound interest. If your employer offers a retirement plan with a match like a 401k, contribute enough to get the full match. That is free money. You absolutely cannot leave that on the table. It's an instant return on your investment. If you don't have an employer plan, or if you want to save more, open a Roth IRA. Contributions are made with after-tax money, meaning your withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. Beyond retirement, the growth engine is for your other big goals. Want to buy a house in a few years? Start a business? Travel the world? Create a separate, dedicated savings or investment account for each major goal. You can open a high-yield savings account for shorter-term goals like a down payment you'll need in 3 to 5 years. For goals that are further out, like more than 5 years away, consider a low-cost index fund. These funds track the overall market and are a simple, effective way to grow your money over the long term without having to become a stock-picking expert. The magic of the growth engine is also automation. Set up an automatic transfer from your core account to your retirement and other investment accounts every single payday. Treat it like a bill. You pay your rent, you pay your electricity, and you pay your future self. By automating this, you remove the temptation to spend that money. You're building wealth in the background without even thinking about it. That brings us to the third and final component, the safety net. Life is unpredictable. Cars break down, medical emergencies happen, and unexpected job losses can throw you for a loop. Your safety net, or emergency fund, is the financial cushion that protects you from these surprises. It prevents a small crisis from turning into a full-blown financial disaster. forcing you to go into debt or pull money from your long-term investments. Your goal for the safety net is to have 3 to 6 months' worth of essential living expenses saved. Look back at the number you calculated for your core account. If your monthly essentials are $2,000, your safety net target is between $6,000 and $12,000. Where do you keep this money? It needs to be liquid and easily accessible, but not too easy. You don't want to dip into it for a new pair of shoes. A high-yield savings account is the perfect home for your safety net. It's separate from your daily checking account, so you won't spend it by accident. It earns a bit more interest than a traditional savings account, and you can get the money within a day or two if you truly need it. Building your safety net should be your top priority after getting the employer match for retirement. Funnel any extra cash into this account until it's fully funded. Once it's full, you can let it sit and redirect that extra cash flow towards your growth engine to accelerate your other goals. If you ever have to use money from your safety net, your immediate financial priority becomes refilling it. So let's put it all together. Here's what your money flow looks like in 2026 with the future-proof wallet. Your paycheck hits your core account. Immediately, automated transfers send money to your growth engine, your 401k, your Roth IRA, your house fund, and to your safety net if it needs topping up. The money left in your core account is for your bills and daily spending. And here's the game changer. The money left over after all of that? It's your guilt-free spending money. You can spend it on whatever you want without an ounce of worry. A nice dinner out, a new gadget, a weekend trip. Why? Because you know your bills are covered, your future is being invested in, and your emergency fund is standing by. This system isn't about restriction, it's about freedom. It gives you permission to enjoy your life today while responsibly building for tomorrow. This method is powerful because it's proactive, not reactive. You're telling your money where to go, instead of wondering where it went at the end of the month. It simplifies your decisions, reduces financial anxiety, and puts you in the driver's seat. You might be thinking, this sounds great, but my income is tight. Start small. Maybe you can only automate $20 per paycheck into your growth engine. That's fantastic. Start there. The habit is more important than the amount when you're beginning. As your income increases or your expenses decrease, you can gradually increase the amount you're automating. The key is to start now. So, your action plan is simple. 1. Calculate your essential monthly expenses. 2. Open the necessary accounts. You probably already have a checking account for your core. Open a high-yield savings account for your safety net and explore options like a Roth IRA for your growth engine. 3. Set up the automations. Automate your bill payments from your core account and automate your savings and investments from your core account to your other accounts. Schedule these for your payday. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. This is a plan for sustainable, long-term financial well-being. By 2026, you can have this system running so smoothly that it feels like second nature. You'll have clarity, control, and confidence in your financial life. You'll be building wealth, protecting yourself from emergencies, and still enjoying your hard-earned money. That's the power of the future-proof wallet. Thank you so much for watching. I truly believe this framework can make a huge difference for you. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more straightforward financial strategies. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What's the one financial goal you're most excited to work towards? Let's get this conversation started. See you in the next video.